Okay, so I love my miter saw, but I don't love that this model did not come with a laser guide, so we're going to add one today. Now the laser we're going to be using today can be put on any handheld saw, but it will tell you right on here, it does not work on radial arm saws. So the first step is going to be removing our blade. Now these are reverse threads on these blades, so we're actually going to turn it right to take it off. So once we have the bolt out, we can now remove this washer that holds the blade on there. Okay, so here's the laser guide we're going to be adding on. And these are very standard size batteries that you can get replacements of anywhere. I'll make sure I put a link in the video description down below on not just this laser, but also the replacement batteries. Now on the back of the laser guide here, you'll see 2 screws you need to remove to open this up to put the batteries in. And then this is where the laser actually comes out. And it looks like it already has 3 batteries in there. They just give us 3 extras. So now that we've verified our batteries and everything, this is simply going to take the place of this washer. So we're not going to put this back on. This will go on in its place. Now this is a standard arbor size, good for most saws. If you have an oddball saw or it's not the standard arbor, make sure you buy a laser that fits your arbor. Right there we go. Now we can replace our screw, and remember these are reverse threaded. So I'm going to turn it counterclockwise to put it on. And what actually activates this laser is the centrifugal force of the blade going around. And that's all there is to it. So now let's go ahead and fire this up and see how it works. Okay, that's a nice bright laser. Now let's see how accurate it is. Perfect. I absolutely love that. I hope you're as impressed with that as I am. If you like this, please hit the video with a like, subscribe to the channel, always more stuff coming, and check out my Amazon store at amazon.com/shop/rednecktech for this and other great products. As always, really appreciate you supporting the channel, and thank you for watching.